Ever wondered how to make authentic beef bulgogi at home? Originating from the bustling streets of Korea, this savory dish has quickly taken the world by storm. Its charm lies in its simplicity and the harmonious blend of key flavors. Imagine succulent beef slices marinated in a delectable mix of soy sauce, sugar, garlic, and the unique punch of Korean pear. This is beef bulgogi, a tantalizing melody of taste and tradition. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create this mouth-watering dish in your own kitchen. Before we start, gather all the ingredients. Now, the heart of our beef bulgogi lies in these carefully selected ingredients. First, we have thinly sliced beef, your canvas for the flavors we're about to create. Next, we have soy sauce, the backbone of our marinade, adding that essential salty and umami kick. Sugar is our next player, bringing a touch of sweetness to balance out the soy sauce. On to the aromatic trio, we have garlic, green onions, and black pepper. Garlic adds a spicy, pungent kick. Green onions contribute a mild, sweet flavor, and black pepper brings a little heat and complexity. Sesame oil is our next ingredient, providing a rich, nutty aroma that binds all the flavors together. Finally, we have the secret weapon, the pear. This humble fruit tenderizes the beef and imparts a subtle sweetness, making our bulgogi truly authentic and mouth-wateringly delicious. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to get cooking. First up, we're making the marinade. This flavorful blend is the secret behind the savory sweet taste of bulgogi that tantalizes your taste buds. To start, we'll mix together soy sauce and sugar. The balance of these two ingredients forms the base of our marinade, creating a delightful harmony of savory and sweet. Now let's add in some minced garlic and sesame oil. The garlic introduces a kick of spice, while the sesame oil brings a nutty aroma that makes this dish truly memorable. Next, we'll throw in some chopped green onions for a hint of freshness. Here comes the interesting part, the black pepper and pear juice. Black pepper adds a bit of heat, but it's the pear juice that sets this marinade apart. Not only does it tenderize the beef, but it also adds a subtle sweetness that contrasts beautifully with the other flavors. With our marinade ready, we're one step closer to our delicious beef bulgogi. Now, it's time to cook our marinated beef. This is where all the magic happens, where all the flavors come together in a delicious dance. Let's get started. First, heat up your pan on medium-high heat. You want it nice and hot, but not smoking. Once it's heated, add a bit of oil to coat the bottom of the pan. This will prevent our beef from sticking and allow it to cook evenly. Now, introduce the marinated beef to the pan. Lay the slices out flat, giving each piece its own space. Let them sizzle and sear until they're beautifully browned and caramelized. This is where the marinade really shines, infusing the meat with that signature bulgogi flavor. Once your beef is perfectly cooked, it's time to serve. Bulgogi is best enjoyed with a side of steamed rice, allowing you to soak up all those wonderful juices. And there you have it, your very own homemade beef bulgogi, ready to be savored. Congratulations on making your first beef bulgogi. Isn't it amazing how simple ingredients can create such a flavorful dish? Don't stop here though. Feel free to mix things up and experiment with different ingredients. Bulgogi is a versatile dish that can be tailored to your taste. Share your experiences and variations in the comments. We're excited to hear about your culinary adventures. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see your culinary creations.